Hi, my fellow coders. Welcome back to ThinkInCode, and today we are going to learn about sets. So, sets in Python are similar to sets in mathematics. A set is a collection of unique elements which are unordered. That means it has no index. So, why do we have set in Python, or why do we use set in Python? It removes duplicate values. So as you can see, it only stores unique elements. So it will remove any duplicate element it has by itself. And it has a fast membership check. That means when we use in, it will be the fastest lookup. Now, it also helps us perform the mathematical operations like union, intersection, and so on. So let's get started with how to create a set. So a normal set can be defined as such, and this would be a set. Now, as you can see, it's pretty similar to dictionary. We created a dictionary with a curly bracket as well. Now, a dictionary would be this would be a dictionary because it has key and value. When it does not have this key and value, it becomes a set. So that is something you need to remember. It's a very important thing. And another way to create a set or an empty set is b equals to set. This is also a set, and you can put another kind of list inside here to make it a set as well. If we have a list equals to, what we can do is list, and we can convert this list into a set. So let's check the type of each of them. So if we print them, as you can see, we have a set and a list. As you can see, LST is a list. LST is a list, but after we used set, we converted it into a set. So that is how we make a set, or we convert any other collection into a set. And now let's see what I meant by it does not hold any duplicate values, only unique. Let's add 3 and then 4 and then again 2 and then again 6. And if we print it, as you can see, we got 1 2 3 4 6. It did not hold the 2 times or the 4 2 times. We had 4 2 times and 2 repeated 2 times, but in the answer we did not get it. So that is what it means by holding unique items. So now let's move on to set methods. So as you can see, a list of methods here. So let's start with add. So we have a set a equals to 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. What we can do is a dot add, and we'll want to add 7 next. And if we print a, we get 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. We added a 7 at the end. Now next would be remove. A dot remove 1, print a. So this will remove 1, but if we don't have 1, it will give us an error, as you can see here. Dot remove, and if we do this and print a, we'll get an error here. As you can see, 1 is not present in the set. So instead of remove, as you can see here, dot remove error if not found, we can use discard. It will not show an error if not found. If we do discard, and if we print, see, we did not get an error even if the 1 was already removed. And we can also use this to remove other items. As you can see, 2 was removed as well. So next would be pop. A dot pop, print a. Now the pop is different from other collections. In other collection, the pop would remove the last element, but as we know, sets have no index. We don't know what the last index is. That is why it removes a random element. So let's print this. As you can see, it removed the first element. How you use add, pop, clear, remove, discard. Now, next is clear. First, we're going to do a copy, and we're going to add this to B. We copied it to B, and we're going to do the same thing we did previously in dictionaries. Print A before clear, and we're going to print A, and then we are going to print A after clear, A, and we're going to print B. And here we are going to do A dot clear. So if we print this, as you can see, before clear, we had the whole set. Then after clear, we only got an empty set left because of this. And for the B, we copied the A entirety of the A into the B. So that is what set methods are. Now looping through a set, it is pretty easy and straightforward. If we get A and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we can just print for X in I, print X. And if we have this, as you can see, we did loop through the set. So it is pretty straightforward. Next would be set operations. Now we have different types of set operations in our set. Let's say for B has 2, 3, 4. Now set operations, we need two different sets. What we can do here is set A equals to 1, 2, and 3. And for set B, we have 3, 4, and 5. The first thing we can do is similar to the mathematical operation union. This will combine all elements into a single one. So what we can do is union equals to A dot union B. And then we have print union, and we're going to print the union. And then we have intersection. This will only print the common elements both of them have. Intersection A dot intersection B, and then print intersection this. Now for another we have difference. It will only print the items that are on A and not in B. If we do this, we should get 1 and 2 because 3 is present in both A and B, and difference will only print the ones that are in A. Now let's print symmetric difference. Now this is the one that will print all uncommon or not common elements. So let's see the output for each of them. If we print this, as you can see, union, we got all of them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but 3 did not repeat twice. It was only once because set holds unique elements. Intersection, it gives us the common element between A and B, that is 3. So that is why we got a 3. And difference will give us the only element in A. So we got 1 and 2 because 3 is present in both A and B. And symmetric difference gives us the both A and B but without the common element. It's basically a union without the common element. So that is 1, 2, 4, 5 because 3 is the common element. That's why we removed it from the symmetric differences. So a common mistake you could make is using an empty set like this. Just so you know, if we create an empty set like this is a dictionary. Let me just show it to you. Print type, this will be a dictionary. As you can see, a dictionary, class dictionary. So to make this an empty set, you need to do this. This is an empty set. If you print, yes, we got a set. So that is something you need to keep in mind. And for everything else, the whole methods, operations are in the notes and some practice questions as well that I have given below in the description. So you can check it out. Keep coding. Happy coding.